So what does it stand for you to join Galent and for you to be at Galent? And what it means for your career. Your career progression should not be to go join another intermediate company, but it should be, can I get a job in fan companies? Can I get in Meta? Can I get in Netflix? That should be your aspiration. Because I would love for you to retire at Galent, but at the same time, I would like to take pride that the career progression of you moving from Galent is to the topmost level. That's the level of career progression we want, and that's what we are going to culturally set cultural behavior of the organization. The second one we also want to change is when it comes to engineers in India, organizations outsource project for the cost arbitrage. Ultimately, they want to find a cost arbitrage, and for economic cost is what they do. I want to change that. I want to change organization outsourcing to India through Galent for value, not for cost. Galent does not bring you a cost arbitrage, it brings you a value arbitrage. We are no way different than any engineers that you have on your on-site. So that's the level of value culture we want to bring in. So a lot of people don't know that Galent, while we think of us as a startup in the engineering, in the services space, we've had a history of about 5 or 6 years, and we have a team of 600, 700 consultants sitting across US, Canada, and India. But this avatar of Galent that we are currently transitioning to, or we've transitioned to, is the one that is punching way, way above our weight. So we're getting invited to conversations with companies that are 100 billion, 200 billion in size, where we would normally not get an opportunity to get even close to a procurement. So our solution is very, very strong. Our IP is very strong. Our team is very strong. So we are getting into conversations that only typically tier one suppliers in the IT services space would get access to. So the expectation is people who join us should also punch at least 3 levels above where they are to make that kind of impact, because we are a boutique premium Gen AI led IT services firm, and we have to justify the premiums. We need to hire really good top talent, and that's how we're able to make this mark with the profile of customers that are typically way beyond the reach of someone that is at our size.
Working at Galent, we look at all sorts of engineers, right? So if you are essentially a strong engineer, and I would say with strong Java talent, Galent is a place for you. If you have cloud expertise, and I'd say AWS, Google, or Azure, Galent's the place for you. If you have strong data skills, integration skills, Galent's the place. Now, you might wonder, I've not mentioned AI as one of our requirements. The reason is because AI is essentially the fabric that's going to tie all these core technologies together. So if you are a qualified engineer at heart and you believe in innovation, then Galent's the place for you. As time rolls forward, you're going to see the AI glue being that fabric, a glue or a fabric that ties things. So as much as the market is hyping about AI, I think we're looking at strong engineering talent. And I think so long as you're a strong engineer, AI is an extension to your skill sets. AI is an extension to your personality. This might sound funny or even sound silly, but I would like to say there is a new software development lifecycle framework. You guys have heard about waterfall, heard about agile. But I think there is a new wave where AI is essentially going to change the way you look at software. And that's what Galent is going to bring to the marketplace. And what I mean by that, you typically build software for a particular business need. And I think we are getting into an era where you pick a best of breed software and almost align your business to sort of fit that software. And while that might sound a little reaching at this point in time, we are already starting to see the market shift in that direction. And that's a unique piece that Galent brings to the industry today.